Welcome to my channel Pocket Info. Today we discuss about new criminal laws in India. What are they? Recently enacted 3 new criminal laws, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, and Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, are set to take effect from July 1, 2024. Replacing the colonial-era Indian Penal Code, IPC, Code of Criminal Procedure, CrPC, and Indian Evidence Act. Key highlights of new criminal laws. Objective: the new laws aim to replace colonial-era punishments with a justice-focused approach, integrating technological advancements in police investigations and court procedures. New offenses include terrorism, mob lynching, organized crime, and enhanced punishments for crimes against women and children. Steps for smooth transition. States are free to bring in their own amendments to some provisions of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. The Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita may also be amended soon to incorporate a section on sexual crimes against. For the time being, police officers are being asked to invoke other allied sections under the BNSS, such as wrongful confinement and physical hurt, if they get such complaints until an amendment is brought to correct this anomaly. The IPC and CrPC will run concurrently along with the new laws, as several cases are still pending in courts and some crimes that took place before July 1, 2024 that are reported later will have to be registered under the IPC. First information reports can now be filed online through the Crime and Criminal Tracking Network systems, allowing EFIR and Zero FIR in multiple languages without needing to visit a police station. Training and handholding have been done for all states to help them adapt to the new system. While the Home Ministry is testing e-Sakshya app for police to record and upload crime scene evidence, various states have developed their own systems. Key points in new laws. Introduces community service as punishment for petty offenses. A terrorist act defined as one likely to threaten India's unity, integrity, sovereignty, security, or acts likely to strike terror among people. Mob lynching now punishable by death or life imprisonment if committed by 5 or more on grounds such as race, caste, community, sex, place of birth, language, personal belief. There will be trial in absentia of fugitive criminals. Summary trials now cover cases where the punishment is up to 3 years, aiming to resolve more than 40% of cases in sessions courts. Videography compulsory during search and seizure. No charge sheet valid without such recording. A first-time offender who has served a third of the jail term will be released on bail by the court. Forensic experts should be used in every case where the punishment includes 7 or more years in jail. BNS 2023. BNS 2023 replaced Indian Penal Code 1860, incorporating 358 sections 511 in IPC, maintaining most of the IPC provisions, introducing new offenses, eliminating court-struck-down offenses, and enhancing penalties for various offenses. The following are the new offenses, deletions, other modifications and key features in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, 2023. The Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, 2023 has 170 sections, altering 24, adding 2, and repealing 6 of 167 sections of the Indian Evidence Act 1872. The following are the retained provisions, key changes and key issues of Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, 2023. Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. BNSS replaces CrPC 1973 and consists of 531 sections with 177 sections revised, 9 new sections added, and 14 sections repealed. The following are the key provisions of Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. The following are the key issues of Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Pocket Info.